welcome to Shafi's presentation for IT ethics coursework. The question is explain the hierarchy of courts in Uganda. On this I'm going to explain the hierarchy of courts in Uganda. So in Uganda the judicial system in Uganda's judicial system, the hierarchy from highest to lowest is Supreme Court, Court of Appeal, High Court, Chief Magistrates Court, which is divided into two grades. That's grade 1 and grade 2 Chief Magistrates Court. Is Local Council, Family and Children Affairs, and Land Courts. So we go to number 1, the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is composed of the Chief Justice, who is the head, then at least 10 judges of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has only 10 judges, at least 10 judges. Its functions is Final Appellate Court. It is the last court or hears from the Court of Appeal. Constitutional cases deals with cases for interpretation of the Constitution. Presidential election petitions. If there is any theft in the presidential elections, the complaint should run to the Supreme Court. Then number 2, Court of Appeal. It is also called the Constitutional Court. It is composed of the Deputy Chief Justice, who is the President of the Court of Appeal. It has not less than 15 judges of appeal or justices of appeal. Its role is appellant or appellant law. Hears appeals from the High Court. Number 2, Constitutional Court role. When sitting as a constitutional court, it interprets provision of the Constitution. When we go to number 3, High Court, it is established by Article 129 of the Constitution, and it is also composed of Principal Judge, who is the head of High Court. Several judges appointed by the President also fall under the High Court. Its role has unlimited original rules over civil and criminal matters. Hears appeals from magistrate courts. High Court is also divided as follows. We have the criminal division, that's the for major criminal cases. Civil division covers civil matters such as breaches of contract. Commercial division handles commercial and business related disputes. Land division disputes over land ownership and tenure. If anybody grabs your land, you need to go to the High Court, not any other court, not the Supreme Court, not Magistrates Court, but the High Court. Number 5, we have family division. Those are family matters. Anti-corruption divisions deals with cases related to corruption and economic crimes. International crimes. Those are transnational crimes like terrorism and genocide. Number 4, we go to the Magistrates Court. It composes of chief magistrates, and its roles are, the word jurisdiction means roles. If I use roles, it means the same. Number 1, we have deals with serious criminal and civil cases not under the High Court. Number 2, supervises all magistrate grade 1 and 2 courts. It can hear appeals from local council courts. Those are the lowest courts. Number 5, we have the magistrates court. This one is composed of magistrates with a law degree, and its roles are to try criminal cases, except capital offences like murder and treason. Murder and treason is for the High Court. Then these other cases, like cases below 50 million Uganda shillings, are tried in a magistrates court grade 1. Then in magistrates court grade 2, it has magistrates with basic legal training but no law degree. It means if anyone has any basic knowledge about law, but they don't have any degree in law, they can go to the grade 2 magistrates court and they can be judges there. So one of its roles is handles minor crimes like theft and assault, hears civil matters up to Uganda shillings 10 million, no role over divorce and land disputes. It means it does not handle cases related to divorce, those are family, and land disputes. We go to local council courts. Those are LOC courts, established by Local Council Courts Act 2006. Composition: elected. It comprises of elected local council leaders. Those are non-lawyers. You can be a lawyer, but even though you're a non-lawyer, you can be part of the local council courts if you are an elected local council leader. Then the levels, it has only 3 levels, that is LOC1 court, that's village level, LOC2 courts, parish level, LOC3 courts, sub-county level. The role of the local courts in Uganda is handle small disputes, give family conflicts and minor debts, deals with land disputes in rural areas, can mediate cases but has limited enforcement power. Then the appeals. We have the LOC1 cases appealed to. It means that appeal means if that case is not handled at that level, where can it go? So if the LOC1 case is not completed, it can be appealed to LOC2. Then LOC2 can be appealed to LOC3. Then from LOC3, it is appealed directly to the magistrates court. We have specialized courts in Uganda. In addition to the mainstream courts, in Uganda has specialized courts designed to process particular types of cases. We have industrial court, deals with labor and employment disputes. Military courts, these courts are judicial bodies of the military, created according to the military code. They are set up to hear and prosecute failures to obey the military. Those are for the militants or for the soldiers. Tax appeals, that's the chairman addressing members of the Indian Income Tax Appellant Tribunal. A fully constituted panel of the tribunal resolving dispute. Land tribunals resolves complex land disputes. Now family and children's courts handles cases involving child protection and juvenile offenders. Lastly, we have the appeal process in Uganda. That's how cases move from one court to another and the level on which they move. Have the local council court goes to the chief magistrate's court. From the magistrate's court, grade 1 or grade 2, it goes to high court. From high court to court of appeal. From court of appeal to the final decision. or to the Supreme Court, from Supreme Court to final decision. Or that's where the final decision is made.